How to add a badge to LinkedIn. I'm going to show you the simple way to do it. But first, you can download the LinkedIn app on Play Store or any app store that you have, or you can use any browser to follow these steps. So let's get started. Open your LinkedIn app. In here, you need to open your profile. Just tap your name and you will be directed to your profile. And then click the add section. In here, tap recommended. And then select license and certification. In here, you need to enter the name of your badge. For example, like what I'm doing right now. The next step, you have to choose the issue organization. And then you have to select the issue date and the expiry date. In here, you have to enter the credential ID and the credential URL that you have. If your badge is available online, just copy the link and paste it here. And then when everything is done, just tap save. You can go back to your profile account and check if you have successfully added a badge to your LinkedIn account. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.